Hello and welcome back to another episode of The Sims 4. So today I will be doing a voiceover because last time I didn't do one, just because I wasn't really 100% sure how, but I've now figured it out, so there will now be voiceovers for my sim videos. So in the last episode, my sim got a job and she is currently living on a patch of grass with a bed, and that's it. So, what today's agenda is to make some money to try and get her some more furniture. So, now that that's loaded, oh okay, it's impossible, she's asleep, it's 3 AM, and she's a little bit stinky. Now there is some rules that you can follow by. And you can find them online, but I'm sort of just adapting to my own. So basically I'm gonna make her travel to the gym because free showers. You know, why not? So let's go to the Burners and Builders gym, just so my sim can shower. So we have made it to the gym. So let's get her in the shower because she's stinky. We'll just fast forward that. Oh, she's got 182 simoleons. She's got more than I thought she did. Do you think that's enough to buy a fridge? Oh yeah, my sim's name is Virginia Turner, by the way. I just tend to randomize the names until I find something that kind of appeals to me, more just because I am just like that. So does she have work today? No, she doesn't. She doesn't have work until tomorrow. So I think we're gonna have to go to the park and do some fishing to sell some fish to afford some food. Because I mean, she's extremely poor and she hasn't started her job yet. Alright, so we've made it to the park. So let's do some fishing. That way she can afford to like make some tofu dogs or something. Alright, go fishing. We'll just fast forward that. And we'll just do an Animal Crossing, watch her fish for hours. Because, I mean, is that all anyone does in Animal Crossing? I personally, that's all I ever did. Question is, which Animal Crossing did you play? Because I played the one on the Nintendo DS Lite in 2005, I believe. And on the Nintendo 3DS. Oh, and I played Animal Crossing Let's Go to the City on the Wii, which I think was like back in 2008. I can't remember. That was a long time ago for me. It's now 2019. I don't want to reminisce about that. Alright, so she's got a koi. And we're still fishing. So she's caught 3 fish so far. Oh, okay, she caught some seaweed and threw it back. Still fishing. Oh, and she desperately needs a toilet. Alright, we'll cancel the fishing for now. We will make her go to the toilet and then we can grill her some food. Although, it's a lot of food for one person who doesn't have a lot. We'll go back to her lot and see if we can afford a stove or a fridge or something. So let's fast forward that. Oh, yep, okay. Just goes 100 miles an hour, why not? Also, let me know what other challenges you guys want me to do, because I tend to do a whole heap at once. Like on my other Sims files, I'm doing the 100 baby challenge, the legacy challenge. I'm also doing one, it's not necessarily an official one, I don't think, but oh my god, the fridge is so expensive. But I'm doing, I mean, I called it the uni degree challenge, but it's not necessarily like an official thing. It's basically, oh, and she's left with 2 simoleons after that. That's fine. She can like eat some chips or something. Have a quick meal. Let's make her have, whoops, she's already gone for some cereal. Alright, we'll just let her have this free will thing. And then we'll go back and do some more fishing so that we can possibly afford to get her a toilet. Because at least then she'll, and maybe a shower. We'll try and get her a shower. But yeah, as I was saying, I'm also doing like the unofficial university degree challenge. So basically I've turned aging off and I'm trying to just do as many degrees as possible. I have used cheats for that one, like just Control-Shift-C motherload, because 50,000 simoleons is enough to pay for the tuition. And she's sniffing her cereal. She's like, cereal. Cereal doesn't normally smell that good. Oh, let's harvest this wild sage bush, sorry. Okay, she can view it, and that's it. She can't really do much. Okay. Well, let's put this bowl in our inventory and then find a bin at the park or something. So we're gonna go back to the park just so she can do some fishing. Also, I'm not 100% sure, like, if it's like against the rules to travel to other parks, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Because it's like, well, I'm not using money cheats or anything, I'm just trying to get her fishing level up and find some stones and stuff to dig. And I know that the Willow Creek Park tends to have a lot of those like diamond rocks that you can get, you can get heaps of money from. Oh, she's in her really ugly cold weather thing. Why not? Oh well. Well look, there's a pond. Go fishing. So, because of the colour of her pants, when she's like walking really fast, it looks like she doesn't have pants on, but hey, whatever. I mean, Sims can, oops, she caught a 40-gram perch worth 7 simoleons. Woo, fun. I'm gonna put that in that bin. She also caught, she caught a new fish. She caught a 10-kilogram salmon worth 41 simoleons. We're trying to get every bit of penny that we can get right now. And she just caught a minnow as well. And she's uncomfortable because she's cold. I'm like, oh well, you know what? This is what you gotta do to get money to get a toilet and a shower. Because, you know, we need the essentials. While she's fishing, I'm gonna do a little bit of snooping. Looks like the fish in this area are too crafty. Try fishing elsewhere until she has more skill or try using more valuable bait. Wow. I don't think fish would be that smart. I'm just gonna let her free will for a while I see if I can like find some rocks or something that she can dig. Or whether there's like some bushes or something that we can harvest to get some money, because we are desperate for that money right now. So all I'm seeing is trees. This is crazy. Oh, there's a thing where you can look for frogs. Let's do that. She found a sun surfer frog. How much are you worth? 125 simoleons. Yes. Oh no, it's gone. I can't do it again. Well, we can look for... She's now viewing a wild strawberry bush. Oh, there's a rock that we can dig. Let's do that. So, fast forward again. She found a Simtanium. Oh, she found 2 robot parts too. Mad. And that is worth, I don't know how much. 90. That's okay. I mean, I know that a toilet is like 200. The cheapest toilet is like 250. And I know that there is a bush that you can get to use as a toilet. Don't question me on that. But I would rather, like, if I would rather use an actual toilet or a long drop, like, in real life, I would rather my sim use an actual toilet. Because, like, that stuff is disgusting. Oh no, she's sad because she's lonely. Oh well, get over it. You'll be fine. Is there anything that we can harvest or anything around here? Wow. Oh, dig. I mean, it's a hole, but we'll dig it. Oh, there's many holes that we can dig. Yes. Let's see what else we can find. She's literally taken forever. Found her. She found a time capsule. Well, they're always the Myson's trophy, so let's sell that. I told her to... Does anyone else's Sims, like, just not do what you tell them to, and it drives you insane? Because, same. And now she's taking forever to get to the other one. There we go. She found a limestone worth absolutely nothing but 50 simoleons. Okay, she's got 400. She's viewing a pear tree. Not sure why. Now she's... Oh, she's ordered food. Oh, God. I didn't want you to spend your money. I mean, eat it, sure. Like, might as well, but... Oop, I hiccuped, sorry. Sip of coffee break. And continue. Oh, come on. Now let's get her home to bed, because she needs to go to bed because she has work in the morning. But work in the morning means money. So, I'll wait for that to load. I'm just gonna coffee sip in between. Alright, now let's put it aside. So it's raining in Willow Creek, but it's not raining in Oasis Springs. Okay. Also, the reason why I chose Oasis Springs was because it had like the cheapest block of land. So it was, I think it was only like $1,500, whereas the rest were about $2,000 to $3,000. Or simoleons, sorry. I should correct myself there. And let's fast forward. Oh, she desperately needs to pee. Oh god. Oh wait, I can buy her a toilet. It's fine. Let's buy her a toilet. Hang on. Maybe if I put in toilet bush, it might come up. No? Okay, let's put in bush. We'll just search bush. I mean, does anyone know which one it is? Like, I mean, a bulbous bush, surely you can put in that. We'll just try it. If not, nope. Okay, no, we'll just buy her a toilet because she's desperately needs a toilet. Oh, I found it. It's in the toilet thing. I mean, it's only 50 simoleons. We are on a budget here. There we go. So, we'll fertilize, quotation marks, Okay, you can pee first and then you might have to go to the gym for a shower. Oh no, it's stinky. Do I have to like sell it to clean it, or will it just air out? Oh my gosh, sorry, notifications. We'll just edit that out, it's fine. Alright, so yeah, do I have to like sell it, or will it air out by the end of the day, do you think? I don't know. Okay. She's just gonna cry it out. Sure, why not? You just peed in a bush. Oh, hygiene's really bad. Let's go have a shower at the gym again until we can. I mean, I could probably afford a shower, but it's fine. We'll just wait till she gets back so I can get her a proper toilet and a proper shower. Because does anyone really want to pee in a bush? Because I know I don't. And it's lighting. Okay, there we go. And shower. Considering she has work at 10. Why does it take Sims like a solid? Like, it's taken her a solid 40 minutes to have a shower. Like, that's a lot of water wasted. Like, if I had a 40-minute shower, like, that's a lot of water bills, not gonna lie. Okay, well, she can have a nice chat with Pakaka. I think that's how you say the name. Please don't judge me on that. I'm not 1000% sure. Okay, she's going to work, I think. Or is she going for a job? No? She's going to work. Cool. So hopefully now we should be able to afford a toilet. And it's loading. Now we have to wait till she gets back. Oh, I forgot. Okay, so no, the tree has out. That's fine. I mean, we can just keep that for now, I suppose. I mean, while she's at work, let's put in a toilet at least. So, also, as if the cheapest toilet is... Well, let's sell the bush. Maybe I'll give her some extra money. Can we afford a shower? Let's cheap a shower. No. Do you think that, like, the, you know, DIY showers and stuff wouldn't cost so much? But, I mean, Sims, what are you doing? Okay, let's fast forward till she gets back. Now she's back. She brought 272 simoleons back. That's enough for a shower. We'll just use it. Oh no. Okay, we can afford. It's a shower tub. And she's left with 39 simoleons. Okay. Well. Now that she has a shower, and she can go to sleep. Alright. Well, that bowl has become stinky. Well, that concludes that video. So I hope that you enjoyed it. Please comment any requests of challenges and stuff you want me to do for The Sims 4, or what games you want me to play. So yeah. Anyway, bye!